Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how I safely remove gel nails at home without damaging my natural nails. For this removal, here's what you need: a nail file, acetone, foil or nail clips, and some cotton pads or cotton balls. I'm starting by gently filing off the shiny top coat. The goal here is only to break the seal so the acetone can reach the gel underneath. Please remember, you do not need to file all the way down to your natural nail. We only want to remove the shine from the top layer. If you're new to gel nails, start very slowly and use light pressure, especially around the cuticle area and side walls, because those areas are more sensitive. Also, while filing your nails, try to wear a face mask so you don't inhale the nail dust. Now repeat the same step on the remaining fingers. Everything I've used in this video is very affordable and under 500 rupees in total. One salon visit for gel nail removal may cost somewhere around 400 to 500 rupees, while the entire removal kit would cost around the same and last you for at least a couple of years. Plus, you are learning something new. Now I'm brushing off the excess dust from the nails. You can use a nail brush, a clean toothbrush, or anything similar that you have at home. Next, I'm soaking a small piece of cotton with acetone and placing it directly on the nail. Make sure the cotton is fully soaked with acetone and that it is touching the gel properly, because this is what helps the gel soften. Then I'm securing it with a nail clip to keep the cotton in place. You can also wrap the nail with foil instead of using clips. Both methods work, so use whatever is easier for you. Now repeat the same step on the remaining fingers. I usually leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how thick the gel is. Now I'm checking one nail first. If the gel looks lifted, flaky, or soft, I'll gently push it off. You can use a cuticle pusher for this step. The most important thing is don't scrape hard and don't force anything. If the product doesn't move easily, that means it is not ready yet. Just add more acetone, wrap it again, and wait for a few more minutes. Only remove the gel that comes off easily, as this helps protect your natural nails from damage. Be very gentle with this process because rough scraping can cause trauma to your natural nails and affect your nail health. As you can see, the gel is coming off easily because it has soaked properly in acetone. For this nail, not all of the gel lifted in the first round, so I reapplied acetone and let it soak again for a few more minutes. The goal is to be patient. If anything is not coming off easily, don't try to scrape it harder. Just rewrap it with acetone and give it more time. I'm doing the same thing for this finger too because there is still some gel left on the nail. Once most of the gel is removed, I'm lightly smoothing the nail surface. But be careful not to overbuff. Your natural nail should not feel thin, painful, or hot. If you're unsure, it's always better to leave a tiny bit of product and soak again instead of filing too much. Now I'm brushing off the excess dust again. Then I'm quickly cleaning the nails with acetone to remove any leftover residue. Now I'm working on the re-wrapped nails, and as you can see, the remaining gel is coming off much more easily. I'm repeating the same process here as well. Once everything is removed, clean your nails with acetone. But remember, acetone can make your nails and skin feel dry, so moisturizing is a must after this step. I'm applying cuticle oil around the nails to bring back some moisture. Feel free to use any thick oil or a good moisturizer for this if you don't have the cuticle oil. And yeah, this is the final result. To safely remove gel nails at home, remember, file only the shiny top coat, soak with acetone, gently remove only what has softened, re-wrap if needed, and always moisturize afterwards. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. And if you're learning to do gel nails at home, subscribe to my channel for more beginner-friendly gel nail tutorials. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.